Hello and welcome to MARCHintosh. Hi, I'm Rudy from Rudy's Retro Intel. Here I'm showing a picture of my lab. This is where I do my repairs, modifications, and yes, play games till the middle of the night. Here's my Macintosh SE, the FDHD version. Here we are peeking and poking inside, looking around, making sure things are fine, and so far everything is working A-OK. But something big is coming. Yes, can you feel it? Something big is definitely coming. We are giving away this Macintosh computer to some lucky viewer. So the question is, how do you win this thing? And how do you get it to your home? Well, that's a very good question. And to answer that, you'll have to follow along the Retro Repair Roundup channel, first and third Sunday of every month at 8 p.m. with Joe, Javier, Ron, and myself. Here you'll be seeing more details, so stay tuned.